Hi. Let's continue the Git tutorial series. In the previous video, we learned how to stage, commit, and push a Git project from your computer to the GitHub. We also learned the git status command. In this video, we will learn how to unstage the files. We will also learn how to revert a commit. First, let's see what things we have with us. We have our project on our computer, which we have opened in VS Code. We have a text file in this project. And, the same project is present on the GitHub as well. Okay. First, let's do the git status command and see what the latest status of our project is. See, it says, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay. Let's add a new line in the text file. Also, let's create a second text file. So we created a new text file and wrote some lines in it. Now, see, there is an M mark near the first text file. That means this file has been modified. And, there is a U mark near the second text file. That means this file is still untracked. The Git does not know anything about this file anymore. This file has never been staged, committed, or pushed to the GitHub. Okay. Let's do the git status command and see the latest status. See, it says that the first text file is modified and needs to be staged. It is written in red color. And for the second text file, it says that this file is untracked yet, and this also needs to be staged. It is written in red color. So in short, we need to stage both these files. Okay, let's do that. First, I will clear the terminal. Okay. Now, I will write the git add command so that both files will be staged. Let's do git status once again. See, it says that both the files have been staged and are ready to be committed. The message is in green color. Oh, but wait, I think I should not have staged the second file so soon. I need to work on it more, and then maybe I will stage it later. So what do I do now? I need to unstage only the second file. The command to unstage any file is written right here. Git restore staged and then the file name. Let's try it. Write this command in the terminal. I have mentioned the second file's name at the end. Let's do git status once and check. See, it says that the first text file has been staged and is ready to be committed. It is written in green color. Whereas the second text file is now unstaged. It is written in red color. Okay. So we can commit and push the first text file only as of now. Let's do that. Write the commit command like this. The first file has been committed now. Let's do git status again. See, now it talks only about the second text file, it is still unstaged. Nothing about the first text file is mentioned. So we can easily push the updated first text file to the GitHub. To do that, write this command. Okay, the code has been pushed. Open and refresh GitHub tab once. We can see the latest commit message written here. Open the text file. See, the updated file is present here. Also, make a note that the second file is not present on the GitHub yet. Okay. Let's focus on the second file now. I have written some more text in the file, and now I feel that this file is ready to be staged, committed, and pushed to the GitHub. Let's check the git status. It still says that the second file is yet to be staged. Write the git add command like this to stage the second file. Let's check the git status. Okay. Now it says that the second file has been staged and is ready to be committed. The message is in green color. Let's do the commit. Write the git commit command like this. The second file is also committed now. Let's check the git status. It says, nothing to commit, working tree clean. That means now we can push the second file to the GitHub. Oh. But wait. I just got a call from my boss, and he said, more work needs to be done on the second file. So we have to cancel the commit and staging that we just did on the second file. How do we do that? To revert a commit, first, we need to check a list of all the commits that we made and revert to the second last commit. But how do we check a list of all the commits? We will use the git log command. Write git log. And hit enter. See, now we see all the commits that we have made so far. This is our latest commit. See the commit message. It is about the second file. How do we know it is the latest commit? Because, first of all, it is written at the top of the commit list. And most importantly, head is written here. So that means, this commit is the head of all the commits. And below the latest commit, we have our second last commit, and we did for the first text file. So what we need to do is, we need to shift this head from this latest commit to the second latest commit. That way, the latest commit will be cancelled. But first, we need to get back to a clean terminal. How do we get out of these commit logs? If you go to the very bottom of the logs, you will see a colon, and the cursor will be placed next to it. Simply hit the Q key on the keyboard. And there you go. We are out of the logs. Now we can use the clear command. Okay. Now, there are 3 ways to revert a commit. First is to write this command. What this command does is it will undo the last commit, but your changes will stay in the staging area. The second command is this. What this command does is it will undo the last commit, but your changes will go back to the unstaged state. And the third command is this. What this command does is it will delete the commit and all changes. Be careful. All the changes from your file will be gone unless you have them saved somewhere else. We will play safely. We will either use the first or the second command. Let's use the second command. It will undo our latest commit and keep our file in the unstaged area. Okay. So write the command like this. Hit enter. We can see a U mark near the second file. Let's check the status. See, it says that the second file is untracked and not even staged. So our file came back from the commit and the staging area. Let's check the commit logs again. See, the latest commit that we had done about the second file is now gone. And instead, the commit that we had done with the first file is now our head commit. And as you can see, our second file is still intact. No data has been lost from it. We can work on it in the future and then stage, commit, and push it whenever we are ready. So in this tutorial, we learn how to unstage a file, how to revert a commit, and how to check the commit logs. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.